My name is Tom Newton. I studied public transport for over 40 years, worked as a bus driver for Dublin Bus. I discovered the main flaw in public transport, the radius system makes the spokes of the wheel everywhere by the centre. Came up with a solution called the circular or orbital plan, comprising of 3 orbitals for bus, rail and luas. It maximises existing facilities, makes carpooling more effective. By linking Sligo Cork rail line at Lucan, reduces return trip by 3 hours. Pause any section of this video to see it more clearly. Orbital 1, Luas to the orbital. Inner orbital consisting of 2 circuits A and B. A, top orbital on the map for mainline rail using Phoenix Park Rail Tunnel from Heuston Station. B, bottom orbital is the Luas City orbital. Build a section of Luas from Fatima, C on map to Stephen's Green, 1.25 miles called the G-Link or Green Link. Then complete the dot section for full Luas orbital. It's great benefit for all users, for tourism and for users with disabilities, and for the new Children's Hospital near Fatima. Luas block. This is full Luas block in the city centre. It takes all users direct to the destination who enter the city on all modes of transport, including bus, rail, cycling and walking. Numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the map are the main line rail routes into the city. Orbital 2, outer rail. This map shows existing rail and Luas in Dublin. We need to link Luas from Saggart, A on map, to Lucan Station at Adamstown, B, tick dotted line, 3.5 miles. Then link mainline rail from the same station, B, to Leixlip C on map, 3 miles. Then extend Luas from Tallaght, D on map, to Dundrum, a big area that has no rail of any kind. Airport rail orbital on M50. Red on this map is existing mainline rail. Build new section of rail on the edge of M50 called M50 Dart from Castleknock, D on map, to Donabate, Lincoln Northern Line, serving Blanchardstown, Finglas, Ballymun, Airport and Swords. A very big area that has no rail of any kind. Extend Malahide Dart to Donabate and in via the M50 Dart. Users coming in on the Cork Kildare line go via Phoenix Park Rail Tunnel, Clonsilla line and out via the M50 Dart C on map. This links Cork Belfast directly by rail, gives rail access to all areas of northwest Dublin. It allows the Belfast line to double train capacity. Orbital 3, bus orbital BRT on M50, bus rapid transport. The red circle on this map is the M50. Centre line is super busway from Liffey Valley to city centre via Heuston Station. How the route works: example, 39S from city centre out via Heuston Station and super busway to Liffey Valley interchange onto M50 to Blanchardstown. 39S goes around the estate clockwise, 39 anti-clockwise every second one. Similar for all routes. 40S into Finglas, DCU, Ballymun, back via M50. 40N via Ballycoolin Industrial Estate. 41T from Swords in via Port Tunnel. 46S and 27S to Liffey Valley. 50S and 50N go north and south on M50 in Valley Period. Frequency every 15 minutes from the hour. This takes users express to the city centre. Takes users direct to all areas on the outskirts of the city. Takes provincial bus users direct to all areas on the outskirts without going via the centre, saving time. Little cost as most of this infrastructure is already in place. An extra vertical lane along busway from M50 for access to the Children's Hospital via Heuston Station and Military Road. Taxis move into Heuston Station to serve Heuston Station and the Phoenix Park Rail Tunnel. Bus orbital on the outskirts, DDT, Destination Direct Transport, part of Orbital 3. This diagram shows how the bus network can be linked up on the outskirts with direct time connections. It's easy to get into Dublin but difficult to get around it on the outskirts. Based on 18 hubs, buses depart each hub at a standard unified time every 30 minutes from 6 a.m. until 11 p.m, creating reliability and certainty. Pause this picture to see how it works. Orbital and radial link up. This shows how the orbital and radial system link up to give direct access to all areas, greatly reducing travel times for all and long distance users. Contains city sprawl, maximises land use and technology to make Dublin a great city benefiting all Ireland. Costs kept to a minimum by efficiency, more usage and no costly undergrounds at 1/10 the cost of Transport 21, leaving more funding for country areas. Additional elements of the O3 transport plan in print. Pause to view.